KrakenBond, monster of tough jobs. Got a tough job? You need a stronger solution. Meet KrakenBond Drywall and Panel Adhesive Professional Foam. It gets the job done without a dozen screws or messy traditional adhesives. Before using the KrakenBond Drywall and Panel Adhesive Foam, adjust the dispensing gun for consistent foam output. This adhesive foam is ideal for drywall, plywood, wall panels, and more. Fewer screws, saving you time and effort. Plus, it seals gaps for a seamless fit and extra insulation. Perfect for any project, big or small. It's simple to use and safe. Put on your gloves and don't forget your eye safety. Clean the surface, then lightly moisten the application area for stronger adhesion. Shake the can for 20 seconds, attach it to the dispensing gun, and apply the foam directly. After use, clean the dispensing gun with KrakenBond Foam Cleaner for optimal performance in future applications. Easy to apply. KrakenBond Drywall and Panel Adhesive Professional Foam saves you time and effort, making your job easier and less tiring. Smart, strong, fast. KrakenBond Drywall and Panel Adhesive Professional Foam.